south, from streams of slight to never doubt. Upon this route come men of force, carrying furs of size from the lands of north. Tales of wild times of blight, endure the cold, few sleep at night. Crates of supplies carried overland, hardship bare, traditions ran. This is the blood of our ancestral past, times of frontier, times of first flight. Tracks of these men are marked in the stones of the riverbed washed by ages of flow. From Thunder Bay to Montreal, along the Manitou and the Mattawa, the Outaouais, broad sense of home, charging south as winter fell. This is the blood of our ancestral past, times of frontier, times of first flight. Tracks of these men are marked in the stones of the riverbed washed by ages of flow. And as they dug their paddles deep, came songs of march, surpassed defeat. These songs still sound in echoes round the river bend, past the point of south. This is the blood of our ancestral past, times of frontier, times of first flight. Tracks of these men are marked in the stones of the riverbed washed by ages of flow, of the riverbed washed by ages of flow, of the riverbed washed by ages of flow.